How to use ChatGPT without logging in this video. I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT without creating an account or logging in. If you're on a shared device, don't want another password floating around, or just want to test something quickly, ChatGPT works instantly without any sign-up. OpenAI officially launched no login access in April 2024, and it's still available in 2026. Most people don't know this feature exists because the website pushes you towards signing up. But you can completely bypass that and start chatting in seconds. Let's walk through it. Open your web browser, type chat.com or chat OpenAI.com in the address bar, that's it. You're on the ChatGPT homepage. Do not click the sign up or log in buttons, ignore those entirely. Look for the chat box at the bottom of the screen. It says something like send a message. Click in that chat box and start typing your question or prompt immediately. You can type right away without any login screen appearing. If a login prompt does pop up, click Stay Logged Out or simply dismiss it and continue typing. Type your prompt and press Enter. ChatGPT responds instantly with no account required. You can continue the conversation naturally. Keep typing follow-up questions and ChatGPT keeps responding. What you get without an account, you have access to GPT-5.2 instant for your first 10 messages within a rolling 5-hour window. That means you can ask 10 questions and the timer resets from your first question. So 10 messages in 5 hours, not 10 per day. After your 10th message, ChatGPT automatically switches you to GPT-5.2 Mini. Mini is lighter and faster but still capable for most everyday tasks. You can continue with Mini with no hard limit. You also get web browsing, so ChatGPT can search the web for current information. You get image analysis. You can share images and ask questions about them. What you don't get without an account, chat history is not saved. Close your browser tab and your entire conversation disappears. You cannot generate images. This is completely unavailable without login. Even free accounts get 3 images per day, but guests get 0. You cannot upload documents like PDFs, Word files, or Excel sheets. You cannot use deep research, which is a paid feature. You cannot use GPT-5.5, GPT-5.5 Thinking, or Pro models. Guest mode is limited to the base GPT-5.2 models. You cannot use voice mode. You cannot set custom instructions. You cannot share your chat as a link. Regional availability. No login. ChatGPT is available in most countries, but some regions may not support it. If you try and it doesn't work, it may be a regional limitation. In that case, creating an account is your only option. When to use no login. ChatGPT use this for quick questions, brainstorming, summaries, quick writing edits, explanations of concepts, coding help on simple problems, or testing ideas before committing to an account. Use no login mode when convenience matters more than permanent saving. When to create an account if you need to save your chat history, if you work with documents or PDFs, if you want to generate images, if you need advanced models like GPT-5.5 Pro, if you want voice conversations, if you're doing serious work that you need to reference later. Privacy consideration. When using ChatGPT without an account, OpenAI may use your conversations for model training unless you opt out. However, this setting doesn't persist between sessions without an account. If privacy is your main concern, creating an account and disabling training in settings is more reliable than relying on guest mode. On mobile, ChatGPT also works without an account on iOS and Android. Download the ChatGPT app, tap Continue without an account or use as guest on the welcome screen, and start chatting. Pro tip: if you frequently hit your 10-message limit on no login mode, you can open a new browser tab or incognito window and get another 10 messages. Your 5-hour rolling window is per session, so multiple sessions give you more messages. However, each session starts fresh with no history transfer. Summary: you now know how to access ChatGPT instantly without logging in. Go to chat.com, start typing, and chat for free with GPT-5.2 Instant and Mini models. You get 10 messages on Instant per 5-hour window, then unlimited mini web browsing and image analysis work. But image generation, documents, and advanced features require an account. Use no login mode for quick tasks. Create an account when your work needs permanence and advanced features. If this tutorial helped you get started with ChatGPT, please like and subscribe for more AI tool guides. Comment below and tell me what you're planning to ask ChatGPT first. Thanks for watching.